Here's how to connect the wires to the robotic dog. After opening the box, there are a total of 12 short 3-phase wires and 3 long 3-phase wires. 4 short 4P cables, 2 additional 0.5 meter long 4P cables. Now, start wiring, taking out 1 short 3P cable. Push to the right rear corner towards the socket facing upwards outside. For the other end, connect it to the socket on the top of the right rear leg's central hub. Take a short 3-pronged wire and connect it to the socket underneath the central hub of the right rear leg. Additionally, connect one end to the right rear leg's internal dumping mechanism's downward facing port, then take out the right rear leg first. Take a short 3P cable and connect it to the inner socket near the right rear leg. Then reattach the leg. Additionally, one end is connected to the inner side of the left thigh, towards the lower part of the hamstring. Also, take out the left leg. Take out a long 3-pin cable. Connect it to the socket on the back of the left leg, near the internal side, then reattach the leg back. Attach this wire to the left rear leg's last downward-facing terminal. Take a short 3-pin wire and connect it to the middle foot's downward-facing terminal on the left rear leg. Connect the other end through the interface. Connect it to the back of the left leg, finally to the muscle on the outer side, towards the top. Turn the robot dog back over, take a short 3P cable, and connect it to the middle interface of the left hind leg spine, pointing upwards. Connect the other end to the dog's tail, near the socket of the left thigh. Take a short 3-pronged wire and connect it to the other socket of the tail hub motor. Get a 3 to 4 adapter and attach it to the 3-pronged wire. Take a short 4-pin wire and connect it to the other side of the 3 to 4 adapter. Fix the 3 turns wire on the right leg insert. The wiring at the rear leg is now complete. Take a short 3P cable and connect it to the middle of the front right leg, with the notch facing the socket above. Connect the other end to the left front leg to the upper front socket. Find a short 3P cable. Connect to the downward facing port in the middle of the right front leg. Furthermore, connect one end to the inner interface of the right front leg muscle pointing downwards. Take a long 3P cable and connect it to the outside interface of the right front leg muscle pointing downwards. First, remove the right front leg. Take a 3P cable, connect it to the inner socket near the right front leg, then reinstall it. Take out the left front leg. Connect the other end of the 3-stranded wire on the inside of the right front leg muscle to the socket inside the left front leg muscle. Then put the left front leg back in place. Find a long 3P cable and connect it to the inner interface of the left front leg base pointing downwards. Additionally, connect the end of this wire to the left front leg's outer terminal facing downwards. Take out a short 3-batch component and fit it to the connector below the left front leg's central mechanism. Also, connect the other end using a 3 to 4 adapter. Secure it at the left front leg insertion position. Find a short 4P wire. Connect it to the other end. Take out the long 3-batch wire from the right front leg. It needs to be installed at the top. First, detach the head. Attach to the connector near the right side. Take a short 3-pin cable and connect it to the connector on the left side underneath the head. Additionally, connect one end to the port behind the upper turret, then reattach the head. Take a short 3-pin wire and plug it into the upper socket in the middle of the left front leg. Connect the other end to the socket on the front base of the left foreleg, facing upward. Now the wiring of the leg is complete. Next, connect the eye light. Use a short 4P wire and connect it to the nearby socket of the eye. Besides, connect one end to the port near the right eye. Align the cables to avoid them being too long. Take a long stripped wire and connect it to the socket near the left eye. Thread the other end through the head junction. Traverse the border of the body again. Take out the camera and a long tear strap and attach the strap to the camera head. Then reattach the camera to the robot dog's head. Thread this wire through the junction of the neck. Then thread it underneath. This one is for the eye light. Take a 1/6 piece and stack it with the shorter end. Attach it to the main control unit near the left leg. Take a 4P cable from the left leg side and connect it to one of the interfaces. Take out a short 4P wire and connect it to another port. Connect the other end to the main F port. Connect the 4-pin cable from the camera to the main control connector. Connect the 4-pin cable on the right leg side to the Easy Connect port. The wiring for the robot dog is now complete. Reattach the remaining covers.